of APC, Alhaji Umar Ganduje. If you reflect on the path of your career, you were part and parcel of FCT. The chairman, Senate, and House committees of Federal Capital Territory, members of the National Assembly representing FCT, former governors of Abia, Benue, and Enugu states, Honorable Minister of FCT, Barrister SMO Wike, and the Minister of State, Dr. Mariam Mahmood, and the entire team of FCT, including the engineers, technicians, and many people who had put their hand on the deck to ensure we have today's commissioning. The former members of the National Assembly here present, traditional rulers and royal fathers here present, senior government officials, the project contractor, Messrs. GCOC Group, and the representative of Chinese diplomacy and business in Nigeria. I heard you clearly, and thank you for your conscientiousness in what we are doing. Gentlemen of the press, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please permit me to credit Eugenia Abu with the fact that we have a minute silence for the people, the victim of Benue. Why I sympathize with the Benue people, I've spoken to the governor. The leadership and people of Benue should accept our condolences and tried hard, very, very consciously, to maintain peace, harmony among themselves. I've always said this, that we are one single huge family living in the same house, stay in different rooms, but living together in harmony will be the result of our diversity for prosperity. We should be able to manage our anger and frustrations. I sympathize those who have lost their life. I will adjust my program and go see Benue people on Wednesday. But today is a great day of pride and profound gratitude for the residents of the Federal Capital Territory and indeed for all Nigerians. I'm very happy and proud to be part of this auspicious day. We gather to commission a transformative project, the Greater Abuja Water Supply Network, the Loop 1, 2, 5, and 6, a monumental effort that will ensure safe, sustainable, and sufficient water and the institutions to the homes, institutions, and communities across the capital city. Water is life. It is not a luxury. It is a basic human right and a foundation for public health, urban development, and economic growth. Thank you, the team of Wike, for exhibiting a very great virtue of leadership. This virtue is when a leader is very conscious of the need of his people and it goes about committed with dedication to do it. That's what you have been exhibiting in FCT. I thank you very much and your team. I sincerely commend all of you. This water infrastructure is not only a technical milestone, but a moral one because it is about equity. It is about ensuring that no part of Abuja is left behind in our national development agenda. It's a renewed hope. When we speak of renewed hope agenda, this is what we mean. Tangible, people-focused projects that improve the daily lives of ordinary Nigerians. Water to drink, to clean, to grow, to build. That is the real project. It's treasure, it's a treasure that we always take for granted. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not here today merely to lay the pipes. We are laying the groundwork for healthier families, stronger communities, and a more productive city. As your president, I remain committed to accelerating the growth, prosperity, delivery of reliable infrastructure, development of human capacity. I had to have trained so many technicians to maintain this achievement. We're doing the same thing on power, roads, and housing. These are not just the mere developmental goals. It is the building blocks of our dignity and prosperity. To our international partners and stakeholders, especially our friends from People's Republic of China, I say, yes, sir. Together, we are showing the world that partnership built on mutual respect and shared prosperity can deliver real impact. As we commissioned this vital project, I urge all the residents and stakeholders to protect this investment. Use the water wisely and work with government to ensure its sustainability. It is my honor now, therefore, now to commission the Greater Abuja Water Supply Network to the glory of God and service to humanity. May God continue to bless all our workers, May God bless this project, bless the city of Abuja, and bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Hello.
For the glory of God Almighty, the unyielding commitment to humanity, happiness, and prosperity of our people. I declare the project. A greater Abuja water supply network, loops 1, 2, 5, and 6 of the Federal Capital City, Abuja, was officially commissioned by His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, President Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, on Monday, May 16th, June 2025.
Mr. President has now commissioned the Greater Abuja Waterway and makes his way now to, thank you, sir. We congratulate Mr. President. We congratulate the FCT administration